Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can share your CapCut project. Okay, so come and open your CapCut application, then tap on new project. So when you tap on new project, come and start up a project. Okay, so I'll tap on this. Alright, so I'm importing a video that I want to put in my project. Okay, so let's say I'm done editing my video and I want to save it very quickly. Okay, so to save your video, you come to this arrow which is pointing up. Okay, so you tap on that arrow. So when you tap on that arrow, your video is basically getting exported or getting saved. So you have to wait. Okay, so when your video is done and it has been saved very well, you can see you get share options here. You can share your video to Instagram on its Instagram stories, or you can even share your video to WhatsApp, to Facebook, or you can even share it to TikTok, and it has other options here. When you tap on other options, you have variety of options here. As you can see, you can share it to YouTube, Gibi WhatsApp, even other platforms. Okay, so that's how you can share your video after saving it, or that's how you can share your project after saving it on CapCut. All right, so if you found value in this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.